Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
2 years on, exactly 2 years by this time. Na Ghana, war. Facebook and my memories, and someone American 2 years ago on this particular case. Exactly 2 years ni, and a year Ahmed Swale. I wone Anas Arimaya Anas Oye Jumano and Crophobi Ekobon Kuno. I remember that time very well. Say meda and time I slept very early. Sorry I home channel na me phone and Cropho air bazime enye easy. Cropho send me message say hey just say Ahmed Swale we woo just say na me dream cram here. Exactly 2 years ni. Na Ahmed Swale nebusianfo aba bonten den sembi aba betuga. Say 2 years ni omunyane ewu ye no ne kre ene nyame anim. Say ye kampa Ghana police wo mo nya ade. Nebusianfo na asemo ne brother ekan ye me ready atremo. Assessment awode ma Ghana police wo se wo reti omo ade obema omo ne nyama bebre. Ene asem bia enden so interview bia me hwe ya eba bebo mu. A similar issue and so will be a yakun no Ghana, very popular person be a yakun no Ghana, or no so nini pebi interview ben dem share na abebom medeni na ebe bono bede na media bremo. Ahmed Swale busian for there were more can and say he ne krene nyame nim esan say wo munua eye investigative journalist ninti wo mo so family no wo mutumi eyi ebo moden enya leads e the leads ni na ekoma police for. Say oh we na yehu information we ye concrete na yehu mode and say play on that information or use that information and go and arrest the person. One more say dear one more be ye bia one more dem ma aposi for no nini na atonsuom. Omo de koma police for na as a police for na ye kokwa asa wa asem ne ho na asem na akwa akotiada. They've provided the police with concrete information, the family themselves. But nini na emu no police for enya hwe wo ho asemwa Ahmed Swale nebusuan for air no. So they are really disappointed in the police. How 2 years on the police has handled this particular case. Why you really disappointed. Now, ne brother asemwa wakan any was say if I should access the police, I won't give them up to 30%. Was say my police for the max was say mark your more 30% can police for no enya. Or say initially they took the case seriously, but slowly the police themselves are killing the case because nothing new is happening. Omo say na police for na fasem no and it is true. Ya say na international community kasa fa asem ne ho nti no asem ne serious. And we all saw that very typical Ghana sanete. So see slowly kakran assembly ewu by police one ankasa why because nothing new is happening. Also whenever you meet up with them they say investigations are still ongoing. For how long? Ukushio mo ende omega say oh investigations say guso ukushio mo ende o see investigations into bisa say for how long and the investigations no ebekoso. Also this is a case that we have people whom the police couldn't have taken steps to properly interrogate and put some of them before court. We are accusing government make say womo and neglected family of Ahmed Swale. Or say abandoned neglected the family of Ahmed Swale. Or say since this incident happened, I remember the information minister visited us once. And we also met the deputy information minister at the press briefing. And since then, we've not heard anything from the government. Now, say I'm the Bremo, say you UN for UNICEF. Ebe katre abain say abain. Sa Ahmed Swale case no. Me nyamo say yen UN for yerefi. Moma muni enda case no so. Deputy information minister ekatre UN for ne say oh ye investigation. Na still a yegusu ye be share families no na way asema family ne kan o say assembly see ye no that time and information minister e share omo once deputy information minister so e be share after press briefing. Since then aban kra ene omo nkasa police fon so bobo asem na ewu etiefo de ya efa asem we hu ne say at the end of the day obeko police for no hono meka tell say the case has been closed. Obi be say na Melody decided na work asasa, and let me give you a perfect example. Didn't you make asasa? Some other kaya several years ago, musician be a friend of Kwakese. The manager I friend Fenix Otre, or no so sa wonu put the nefie and ankrofo say omko one the second you say den kuno e woni fie ya asem ne ba first no and aposi for ebechi a year bulldog and ya chino be a for chin anyway no. This is not the first time a bulldog police for chino. Fenix Otre asem ni see no and ebechi bulldog na the bulldog a call a year police custody. Police for yen hwehwemane mu hu say bulldog no one year and no beja anymore. Since then, police went to me and Chibo Biabium. And then interview Biazan Felix well yeah bisa a year Kwakese because Fenix Otre no Fenix Otre no Kwakese manager no something and Adam for pan. Interview Biazan Felix yeah and then obisa Kwakese say Fenix Otre ni wona sem no akwako 6 en Kwakese say sisi akọ police for no ha wo mo see case no ye close no. Almost a close case no. Just as you see, I end the chibium. Nipakwa wokun Fenix Otre no. We need to trade the more call police went to me and channel. And you see, say idea we are getting to know of things like this. Mama what you say? What things like this does? And they say it empowers people. What things like this it does? And they say it empowers people. Womo a womo di sa nyambransem no e show mu kutupa ema womo hu ne say oh say Ghana de ye boy empase ye nkokun obi a oh ye kokun a asem ne be wo ho a eno abewu. There are a lot of cases like that in this country. Oh they make an catch me say meboa oh they hwe Fenix Otre de no a lot of unsolved murder cases in this country. Ngofo ne nyo mu 3 dim ti ya beba ne pass won kokun obi oni se o de mi kokun obi na mi ko shemu a police for wo mu ntumi ncheme masa me de me na wa Jessica no na wa kwa akodi ewu na wa kwa akodi ewu ya na menim especially with Ahmed Swale de no because Anas me mamoti ase ebedu bebi Anas kra ono kra ne bu befu ye e ma wo mo de December abonten be ka say wo mo kra with in collaboration with some France investigative journalists be aya ma wo mutumi a draw enkrofo na sabe wo mususu se wo mukun Ahmed Swale ye drawings ne nyama aya de come police for and now say police won use. And today that is what the family are also saying. Almost say leads bebre wo de come police for no police won use. And in the brothers own words I see the police are themselves slowing down the case. And I me kan you mami ready ona kasa ne we me ready atremo baby ana hono when tie ne ye I say if I should access the police I won't give them up to 30%. I say initially they took the case seriously but slowly the police themselves are killing the case. Asemwa Ahmed Swale ni nua na nkasa ka no I say sisi a police wona nkasa na kum case no enya me na make count. And this has been reported by CTFM. CTFM4 NISR reports we okocitynewsroom.com. That is where I am reading this report from. Ne brother any omo ye interview and I walk on. I see the police themselves are killing the case. I am not the one saying it. Ahmed Swale ni nia eneka. Mama wati ase Anas nso aka nsem. Ene na ma Anas sebi pictures ananke ni kwan se wodi betu dwa pictures of omo a ususu se wo mu kun omo no because omo aye investigation ehun se wo mu a wo mu kun Ahmed Swale no omo nimni ose omo de ama police for asem ne nkonkosi aga nti ono ankasa na afa yafono no na wo se wo de picture ne beto amansan yanim na amansan hu say yes onye se wo no so Anas no wada wa asem ne so ti asem ni 2 years on aye kun Ahmed Swale and nothing to show for it for a year the people who killed him. Nothing. Unche mo adwo comment box ni mo. ɛda ase